So today we're diving into the world of creative marketing with ChatGPT. We'll show you how to forge memorable taglines that stick with your audience and leave a lasting impression. And with that, let's dive right in. Before you start generating taglines, it's essential to gather key information about your brand. Let's have ChatGPT right here assist us in preparing this information. We'll input a prompt asking ChatGPT to help us define our brand's mission, target audience, unique selling points, and desired emotional impact. Here's the prompt we'll use. So let's say, help me prepare information about my brand. The brand sells eco-friendly water bottles and emphasizes sustainability, health and modern design. Provide answers to the following questions. And here each one that I just mentioned right here. And yeah, let's see how ChatGPT would respond. As you'll see right here, ChatGPT provides us with the following information: the brand's mission and vision, the target audience right here, unique selling points. There we go. There's the emotions the brand should evoke. Yeah, here are all the information right there. So with this detailed information, ChatGPT is now ready to help us generate taglines that are creative and relevant. Now let's set up ChatGPT to help us generate some amazing taglines. We'll ask ChatGPT once again to create a structured and detailed prompt for us. Let's see how ChatGPT can guide us in crafting the perfect prompt. So here's what I'll be asking. Here, I'm going to put this in my input, like, help me create a detailed prompt for generating taglines for a brand of eco-friendly water bottles. Here I had to instruct ChatGPT right here to make sure it would follow more better. So here's what I said. Please follow the comprehensive outlines information you generated above. This one right here, the ChatGPT had generated, to create the prompt more specifically. So let's see how ChatGPT would do. Here it is. There's the prompt above. Once again, ChatGPT would reiterate the outline once again, but the main important thing would be the prompt right here. So as you can see right here, ChatGPT was able to respond with the following detailed prompt right here. It says, I'm looking for creative and engaging taglines for an eco-friendly water bottle brand. This brand emphasizes sustainability, health, and modern design. Below are the key details about the brand that should guide the creation of these taglines. That's quite impressive on how ChatGPT would put together the taglines. Here it is. There's the example for reference, requirements for taglines. Glad ChatGPT made it more detailed. So, with this would ensure that ChatGPT has all the necessary information to generate relevant and impactful taglines. Before we get to that step, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Now, let's generate some taglines. We'll ask ChatGPT, once again, to come up with options based on our detailed prompt. Let's see what ChatGPT creates for us. So here is the prompt that we'll be using. I might have tweaked a bit and also copied the one that ChatGPT had previously generated. So it says, generate only 5 taglines for a brand of eco-friendly water bottles. So here's the one that I copied and also refined a bit. So here says, I am looking for creative and engaging taglines for an eco-friendly water bottle brand. This brand emphasizes sustainability, health, and modern design. Above are the key details about the brand. Above, the one that ChatGPT had generated, the outline with all the information. Sorry about that. That should guide you the creation of these taglines. And so let's see how ChatGPT would generate. And let's go. So here are the taglines that ChatGPT had generated. Notice how each of them is tailored to the specific brand and audience. This is the power of providing detailed prompts to ChatGPT. These taglines reflect the brand's commitment to sustainability and modern design, just as I prompted, while also appealing to the target audience as well. As you can see, sip sustainably, live vibrantly, eco chic, hydration for a healthier tomorrow, drink green, feel good, sustainable style, pure hydration, join the eco revolution one bottle at a time. These look fantastic, I must say. While ChatGPT suggestions are a great starting point, it's important to refine and test them. Let's ask ChatGPT, our old buddy here once again, to help us refine one of the taglines. We'll start with, let's say, sip sustainably, live vibrantly. So, let's go to the input, my bad, and here's what I put together with my prompt. It says, refine the tagline, sip sustainably, live vibrantly, to make it more concise. So as you can see right here, this is what I come up and ask for ChatGPT to fix up with this tagline right here. So let's see. As you'll see right here, here we go. Chat responds with the refined tagline. Didn't really do much, but it is very concise. Sip sustainably, live vibrant. Quite underwhelming. If you think it wasn't really enough, you can just regenerate it. Just click here. And like so. If you think it would be more satisfied, you can just change the prompt right here and change up a few details so that it would come out very differently, and depends on if you're ever satisfied with the results. So with that said, let's refine another example. So we'll take, let's say, join the eco revolution one bottle at a time. Here we go. Then let me paste it right down here in the input, and here's what I asked. Refine the tagline, join the eco revolution one bottle at a time to enhance its impact. See, this one I differently asked. Enhance its impact. This one more concise. So let's see how ChatGPT would do. As you can see, this one that ChatGPT had refined, it says join the eco revolution. This one kind of changed a bit. One sip at a time. Again, if you're still not satisfied, you can just click regenerate right here, or you can just change up the details right here. So depending on what tagline that you're most satisfied with, it would be more impactful and memorable, emphasizing accessibility and innovation. And there you have it. With ChatGPT, creating memorable taglines becomes a fun and efficient process.